Prevent contamination and infection. This is the most significant precaution in mixing solutions of parenteral drugs at wards and intensive care units. However, it is not always easy to follow strict guidelines. This is because the process is handled by human hands. The negative pressure generated in a syringe makes it difficult to extract the exact amount of drug from the container. An air bubble in a syringe also disrupts the precise extraction with the leak of the drug while removing the bubble by tapping the syringe. Meinntech's Anyfusion ACPi system, with its innovative design, provides structural prevention of contamination and infection to comply with the strict guidelines. The closed system handles all processes, from mixing saline or distilled water with parenteral drugs or extracting solvent to the needed amount to injecting into patients without syringes, which fundamentally prevents contamination and infection. To address these issues, Meinntech developed MCST1 and MCST2, which are multi-closed system drug transfer devices. Adding to the CSTD function, MCST1 facilitates full extraction of high-priced anti-cancer medicine from the container without any residue, prevents drug leakage or exposure without the use of syringes, and is capable of introducing solvents for dissolving powder drugs and collecting fine powder, differentiating itself from conventional CSTDs that adopt a separate collector. MCST2 ensures the safe introduction of high-risk medications into dispensing containers and protects the dispensing drugs from free-flowing or leaking while injecting into patients. The Anyfusion ACPi kit set equipped with a cylinder cartridge which converts the syringe's direct motion into rotary motion, accompanied with MCST1 and MCST2, and Anyfusion ACPi V100, which is a pumping device, together consist of the Anyfusion ACPi system. For the MCST1 connection part, to ensure the consistent mixing ratio after residue extraction, an additional mixing procedure is conducted to complete the cartridge initialization. Then the residual amount is removed during the removal of the three-way module including MCST1, which minimizes the risk of evaporation and medical personnel's exposure to anti-cancer medicine. The clinically innovative closed system prevents contamination and infection with the integrated process of fully extracting and introducing drugs to be dispensed, transferring the drug to wards, in a sealed form without detaching the drug container and the kit set, and installing on Anyfusion H100 for patient injection and infusion. In addition to its help in preparing anti-cancer drugs and parenteral drugs for injections, also remedies the inconvenience of using different devices for each case, including preparing TPN, and powder medicine administration and filling the syringe or PCA balloon with drugs. Compared to a robot's performance, the Anyfusion ACPi system eclipses it in terms of practicality with its competitiveness in price, volume dispensed per day, and dispensing range. The compact system can be compatible with the existing BSC. The fancy and simple system provides easy operation and improves work efficiency. For a safer medical environment, we devote ourselves to technical development. Technology for the future. Technology for humans. Meinntech Company Limited.